ladies and gentlemen. I have the hints to help you with your Europe map too. I hope that this will help you for the test tomorrow. Um, we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start by going ahead and drawing some circles on here, just so we kind of know where we're talking about in just a second. And I'm going to draw these in the order that I am going to talk about these. So you'll kind of see the order as I'm doing it. And I'm hoping to help you guys remember these with a couple of relatable stories, maybe. Okay, we'll start out with this. And these are the bodies of water. As you can see, there are several of them here. And the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to go this way, from here down to this one right here, in this direction. Then I'm going to wrap around this way and get them in this order. So we'll start here, go up and around, and then come down and touch all of these as we get to this one. So the way I'm going to have you do this is the way I would do it. You can do it in a different way if you'd like, but I'm going to tell the story of maybe a jealous guy that really wants to go out with a girl named Anne. And this is what he might say. Have you seen Anne's bald friend, her English bay? If you ever met him, he's terrible. And I, again, in the back row. And what we have with that is the first letters to all of these bodies of water. We have the Atlantic Ocean, the Norwegian Sea, and the North Sea, and that's Anne. Norwegian Sea comes from the word Norway, which it runs all the way up along Norway. And the North Sea is just the sea that's north of Europe. So we have Anne, Atlantic Ocean, Norwegian Sea, North Sea. And her bald friend. This is the Baltic Sea. And this is the Gulf of Finland. So her bald friend. Not only is he her bald friend, he's her English bay. Her English Channel Bay of Biscay. And if you ever met him, Mediterranean, he's terrible. Tyrrhenian, Tyrr. And I, Ionian, am again Aegean in the back row, Black Sea, saying that I'm kind of left out in the cold. So have you heard about Anne's bald friend? It's her English bay. If you ever met him, he's terrible. And I am again in the back row. Now, I'm going to clear all of this, and we'll start with the mountain ranges. Okay, here we have the mountain ranges, and I'm going to go through this one with a similar story. I'm going to go left to right, top to bottom. So we're going to go in this order. So this will be number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here's the story I have for this one. Your boyfriend or girlfriend comes over and they want to hang out. They just want to maybe sit around, watch a movie, go out to the movies, whatever it is. And unfortunately, at your house, you have this problem with pizzas just showing up out of nowhere. So when they come over and they say, "Hey, do you want to hang out?" You have to tell them, "Can't, bae. These pizzas all appeared. Go back to your car." "Can't, bae. These pizzas all appeared. Go back to your car." And that is Cantabrian Mountains, Baetic Mountains, Can't Bay. Pyrenees is the pizzas. These pizzas all, that's the Alps, appeared, the Apennine Mountains. Go back, that's the Balkan, to your car, the Carpathian Mountains. So, do you want to hang out? You go to the movies? Can't, Bay. These pizzas all appeared. Go back to your car. And the last one is going to be the islands. And there's only 4 islands, and I think the islands should be the easiest thing on the test because 3 of them we've already talked about in class. 2 of them you've already had a test over. Those 4 islands are here, 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 and here. We've already had a test over this one. This is Iceland. That one should be an easy one. And this island right here, you've been tested on. This was Ireland and Northern Ireland. So the whole island is called Ireland. We talked about the fact that the big island is called Great Britain. And we talked about the fact the United Kingdom is this island plus this little piece here. It's actually the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. And then we have this one down here that has to be the only one left, that is Sicily. So for your test, the way I would have you guys remember this is a couple of stories about Anne and her bald friend, her English bae. If you ever met him, he's terrible. And I'm again in the back row. And then with the pizza problem, can't, bae. These pizzas all appeared. Go back to your car. Then the islands, like I said, should be good to go on the islands. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.